Hello, my name is Lida Katsanouli, and I would like to ask you a question. What is an odd number divided only by itself on the unit and can give you 250,000 euros? A prime number, as some of you may have guessed, though you might have found a difficulty connecting it with the few euros. Prime numbers first came to the scene around 300 BC, but despite this quite long-term period, mathematicians are yet to completely decode and understand these bizarre numbers. One thing that has been successfully proven, however, is that prime numbers are infinite. Followed by many others, Euclid managed to prove this statement following the method of proof by contradiction, assuming that prime numbers aren't infinite. So, to the product of n supposedly existing prime numbers, we add the unit, where Pn is the largest one, creating the formula Q equals 1 plus P1 multiplied by P2, etc. till Pn, creating the number Q, which is obviously bigger than Pn. Then, we take the number Q and attempt to divide it with all the prime numbers, but there is always a remainder of 1. Hence, Q itself is a prime number, obviously bigger than Pn, and therefore there will always be one more prime number after Pn, resulting to them being infinite. No matter how fascinating this may seem, there's still one core problem world of mathematics faces. Due to the huge gaps created in between the primes, they tend to become extremely big and hard to find. There have been many attempts to solve the gap problem, and finally, Yi and Zhang made it happen. Nevertheless, finding large numbers is still an issue, and here's where the money comes in. The Electronic Frontier Foundation offers 250,000 euros to whoever manages first to find a prime number consisting of 1 billion digits. So if any of you feel like solving some mathematics and getting a little richer, I suggest you go and look up the award. And for those of you who face a difficulty solving the problem, there is still something you could do in order to contribute to the fellow prime number society. Currently, the largest known prime number consists of 17,425,170 digits. But how on earth did the human mind find such a large number? Well, it didn't exactly. George Boltzmann created a computer which is dedicated to finding more and more prime numbers, and is updated regularly. Nevertheless, this is too much work for one piece of metal. Hence, a program called Great Internet Prime Search has made it possible for anyone around the globe to contribute with their computer in order for the system to run faster. So you could go on mercy.org and subscribe your computer to this global movement. I must note that the complexity of prime numbers is one that has troubled our world for a fairly long time. So if any of you are geniuses or just mathematical philanthropists, I suggest you help the mathematical society reach the edge of these unsolved questions. Thank you.